Okay, we're going to do the respiratory system and the digestive system at once. We're going to start with nasal cavity up here behind the nose. You can see the conchae. We have a nasal pharynx in the back. We don't have a really good example of where the auditory tube comes into the nasopharynx. We move on down to the oral pharynx, and behind that little thing hanging down the back of the throat, uvula. And then we have the laryngeal pharynx. We have a larynx. And we've got vocal cords right there. And we've got the thyroid cartilage right there, Adam's apple, cricoid cartilage right below it. And we're going to have to switch over to the other model for the trachea. See the trachea. Easiest to see the trachea. It's got the nice little cartilage rings. You saw those on the cat model. See them here. Well, not the cat model. On the cat dissection. Trachea. We have the carina right where it splits. And it splits into the primary bronchi. And that's the human respiratory system. We're going to move over here to the human digestive system. Put the heart back there. And digestive system. We're going to follow on down with the, we'll start with esophagus. This does not show the salivary glands very well. The ones are fairly easy. There's the submandibular underneath the mandible, the parotid that are off to the side, and then of course the sublingual, which are right underneath the tongue. I don't have a good model here. The other model shows it better, which if I quick grab the other model somewhere, we'll grab the other model in a second. We'll grab this one. Here it is. I'm just going to show these ones. Parotid, submandibular, sublingual. Those are the salivary glands. Epiglottis, little flap here, protects it. Epiglottis, see it sticking up. There's our epiglottis. And then of course, we'll continue on down south to the esophageal sphincter, also called the cardiac sphincter. This is the one that leaks when you get heartburn. And we're in the stomach. Now the stomach's got a few parts. We have the cardia, area right around the cardiac sphincter. We've got the fundus. We've got the body. We've got the pylorus. These big grooves are called rugae. And then of course, we have the pyloric sphincter. A little narrowing here where it pinches to go down to the small intestine. And we'll reassemble the stomach as we continue on. We'll follow the small intestine. Here we have, if I can reassemble it, there. Small intestine. We'll follow it down. Parts of the small intestine. First part, we'll move the large intestine out of the way. Duodenum, first few inches. We have the jejunum. And we have the ileum. Ileum ends in the ileocecal valve. This is the cecum. That's the appendix, a little tail thing sticking out. We have an ascending colon. We're in the large intestine now. And the large intestine goes up, goes ahead, goes with the hepatic flexure to the transverse colon, which goes with the splenic flexure. Descending colon does a funky S shape, sigmoid colon, dumps out in the rectum. And that's the track of the intestines. We're going to talk about some accessory organs. We've got a liver. Liver's also got a gallbladder. It's got hepatic artery, hepatic vein. It's got a cystic duct. That's the duct coming off the gallbladder. It's got the common bile duct. When the cystic duct is combined with the hepatic duct, it's common bile duct. We've got the common hepatic duct. All right. Right here, we have a common hepatic duct. It's coming off the liver. The right hepatic duct, left hepatic duct become the common hepatic duct. We have a cystic duct that combines with it, and when the common hepatic duct, cystic duct combine, they become the common bile duct. And the common bile duct, if we move here, it dumps into the duodenum along with pancreatic duct. And while we're sitting here pointing to it, there's our pancreas, and there's our spleen. And that is the main parts of the digestive system.